In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Facebook and Instagram and set up your product catalog for Marketplace. We'll go through the full setup in a simple, practical way so you can get your store connected properly and make sure your products are ready to sync. This process is handled inside your Shopify admin, and it starts with opening Chrome so you can work through the setup in a browser that's fully compatible with the sales channel tools. Once Chrome is open, sign into your Shopify account and head into Settings. From there, look for Apps and Sales Channels. This is the area where Shopify lets you manage the tools and integrations connected to your store. When you open it, you'll be able to add new sales channels that help you sell across other platforms, including Facebook and Instagram. Next, install the official Facebook and Instagram sales channel app. Be sure you're choosing the official Shopify supported option since that gives you the proper connection for syncing products and managing commerce features. During installation, Shopify may show you a few permission screens or setup prompts. Just follow those carefully so the app can access the information it needs to work with your store. After the app is installed, the next part is connecting your personal Facebook profile. This is required because Facebook uses a personal login to verify access to business assets. As you continue, select the correct business page details associated with the brand or store you want to use. Take a moment here to confirm that you're choosing the right page, because this affects where your shop presence and catalog connection will be managed. Once your Facebook profile and business page are connected, move on to the catalog export settings. This is the step that allows Shopify to push your store's product feed to Facebook Marketplace. When prompted, approve those export settings so your catalog can be shared properly. In simple terms, this is what enables your product information, such as titles, images, and pricing, to be sent from Shopify over to Facebook. As you complete the setup, it's a good idea to review each selection before confirming, especially your page connection and catalog permissions. Small mistakes at this stage can slow down approval or cause products to sync to the wrong destination. After everything is approved, your Shopify store will be connected through the Facebook and Instagram sales channel, and your product catalog will be set up to export to Facebook Marketplace. That's it for the setup process, and once it's in place, you're ready to move forward